In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Manychat plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review your options, start a trial if available, and compare what each plan includes so you can pick the best fit for your needs. First, open your Manychat dashboard and head to the Home tab. This is your starting point and a good place to double check you're in the correct workspace or page before making any account changes. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. The Settings area is where you manage account level details, so it's the logical place for plan and billing controls. Inside Settings, find the Billing section. This is where Manychat keeps everything related to payments, invoices, and subscriptions. Next, click Subscriptions. That will take you to the screen where you can view and manage your current plan, see available tiers, and learn what's included in each one. On the subscriptions page, you'll see an option to activate trial. If a trial is available to you, this is a helpful way to test features from a higher tier before fully upgrading. Availability and duration can vary, so use it to explore without committing right away. Now, review the plan options one by one. Start with free to see the essential tools that help you get up and running. Then check Essential, which typically adds more capacity and flexibility as your automation needs grow. Next, look at Pro to explore advanced capabilities designed for scaling workflows and performance. Continue to Business for higher limits and expanded support suited to larger teams or operations. Finally, view Advanced for enterprise-grade needs. Under each plan, you can see the inclusions, things like feature sets, usage limits, channels, and support levels, so you can compare clearly and decide what aligns with your goals and audience size. Take a moment to read through the details on each tier so there are no surprises. When you're done comparing plans, you're all set. That's how to navigate to your Manychat plan options, start a trial if you have one, and understand what each plan includes.